Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with consonant digraphs. We're working with consonant digraphs SH that says sh and CH that says ch. A consonant digraph are two consonants side by side that makes a new sound. Our first word is the word chin. Finger stretch the word chin. Ch, I, n. Ch, I, n. We're going to write chin all the way across our first rainbow arch. And we want to put a finger space between every chin, but we want to try to write chin about 8 times. Ch, I, n. Don't forget that finger space. Ch, I, n. Ch, I, n. Ch, I, n. Way to go. Please pause the video if you need more time. Our next word is the word shut. Please finger stretch the word shut. Sh, t. Sh, t. Shut. Finger space. Sh, t. Finger space. Sh, t. Sh, t. Good job remembering those finger spaces. Sh, t. Sh, t. Sh, t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was able to write the word shut 7 times with a finger space between each word. How many times were you able to write the word shut? Our next word is the word lunch. Finger stretch the word lunch. Here we go. L-U-N-C. Lunch. I hear 4 sounds. Please write the word lunch. L-U-N-C. Finger space. L-U-N-C. Finger space. L-U-N-C. Finger space. O, n, ch. Lunch. I was able to write the word lunch 4 times. How many times did you write the word lunch? Our next word is the word wish. Finger stretch. W-I-sh. Wish. W-I-sh. Finger space. W-I-sh. Finger space. W-I-sh. W-I-sh. Wish. Way to go, boys and girls. Turn your paper over. All right, my friends, it looks like we may have already done this worksheet earlier in the week, and that's a-okay. We're going to do it again for extra practice. It looks like Mrs. Nimitz made a mistake when she was running the copies, but that's okay. Extra practice makes us stronger, faster, better. So we were working on sorting digraphs. I colored my CH digraph that says ch, yellow. I'm going to color my TH digraph that says green. And I'm going to color my TCH digraph that also says ch, blue. And boys and girls, when we're coloring our digraphs today, I don't want you to color the entire word. I want you to only color the digraph itself. So you'll color all those digraphs. Once you've colored those digraphs, you will write the words in the proper boxes. When you're finished with that, you will turn it into the Daily 5 mailbox and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.